हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
अथ अष्टादशोऽध्यायः। श्रीशुक उवाच। अथ कृष्णः परिवृतो ज्ञातिभिर्मुदितात्मभिः अनुगीयमानोऽन्यविशद व्रजं गोकुलमण्डितं। व्रजे विक्रीडितोरेवं गोपालच्छद्ममायया ग्रीष्मो नामर्तुरभवत् नातिप्रेयात् शरीरिणां। स च वृन्दावनगुणैर्वसन्तैव लक्षितः यत्रास्ते भगवान् साक्षात् रामेण सह केशवः। यत्र निर्झर निर्ह्राद निवृत्तस्वनझिल्लिकम् शश्वत्तच्छीकरर्जीष द्रुममण्डलमण्डितम् सरित्सरप्रस्रवणोर्मिवायुना कञ्जोत्पलरेणुहारिणा न विद्यते यत्र वनौकसां दवो निदाघवह्न्यर्कभवो अतिशाद्वले अगाधतो यह्रदिनीतडोर्मिभिः द्रवत्पुरीष्याः पुलिनैः समन्ततः न यत्र चण्डांशुकराभिषोद्बणा भुवो रसं शाद्वलितं च गृह्णते वनं कुसुमितं श्रीमन् नदच्चित्रमृगद्विजं गायन् मयूरभ्रमरं कूजत् कोकिलसारसं क्रीडिष्यमाणस्तत्कृष्णो भगवान् बलसंयुतः वेणुं विरणयन् गोपैः गोधनैः संवृतो विशत् प्रवाळबर्हस्तबग श्रद्धातु कृतभूषणाः रामकृष्णादयो गोपा ननृतुः युयुधुर्जगुः कृष्णस्य नृत्यतः केचित् जगुः केचिदवादयन् वेणुपाणितलैः शृङ्गैः प्रशशंसुरधापरे गोपजातिप्रतिच्छन्नौ देवा गोपालरूपिणः ईडिरे कृष्णरामौ च नटा इव नटं नृप ब्राह्मणैर्लङ्घनैः क्षेपैर् आस्फोटनविकर्षणैः चिक्रीडितुर्नियुद्धेन काकपक्षधरौ चिक्रीडितुर्नियुद्धेन काकपक्षधरौ क्वचित् नृत्यत्सु चान्येषु गायकौ वादकौ स्वयं शशंसतुर्महाराज साधु साध्विति वादिनौ क्वचित् बिल्वैः क्वचित् कुम्भैः क्व चामलकमुष्टिभिः अस्पृश्यन्नेत्रबन्धाद्यैः क्वचिन्मृगखड्गेहया क्वचिच्च दद्दुरप्लावैर्विविधैरुपहासकैः कदाचित् स्पन्दोळिकया कर्हिचिन्नृपचेष्टया एवं तौ लोकसिद्धाभिः क्रीडाभिश्चेरतुर्वने नद्यद्रिद्रोणिकुञ्जेषु काननेषु सरत्सु च
एवं तौ लोकसिद्धाभिः क्रीडाभिः चेरतुर्वने। After the Davagni Bhakshanam, there are two of them. This Davagni has been swallowed at night. The next day they have returned back. Vrajam Gokula Manditham. Now it is summertime. Grishmo Nama Rutuhu Abhavat. Nama Rutu became Namartu. Okay? Rutuhu Abhavat became Rutur Abhavat. It's the Sandhi rule. Ra became Ir and the double dot became Ra. Okay? Grishmo Nama Rutuhu Abhavat Na Ati Preyan Sharirinam. Nati Preyan Sharirinam. Very hot summer, no, in the northern parts of India. So the people are generally not comfortable going out during the hot part of the day. However, this is Vrindavana. Sacha Vrindavana Gunaihi. The Vasanta Ritu, which was supposed to have gone after spring is gone, then summer comes. But Vasanta Ritu wants to keep enjoying the darshanam of this Krishna. So the goddess ruling Vasanta Ritu, she has not left. She's still there. Even when Grishma Ritu has come, traces of Vasanta Ritu are still continuing. Yatraste Bhagavan Sakshat. Because Bhagavan Sakshat. Therefore, the Vasanta Ritu goddess wants to stay and say, okay, let me also enjoy this darshanam some more. Ramena Saha Keshava. This Keshava and this Balarama are both there. So let me see some more. Therefore, even though it is supposed to be so hot, yatra nirjara nirhrada nivritta swana jillikam. In summer, you can hear the crickets sound. Jillika means crickets. If people who go camping in summer, they will know. They can hear the cricket sound a lot. However, in Vrindavana, the waterfalls are overshadowing the sounds of the crickets. Nirjara, Nirhrada. Nirjara means there are streams, and some of the streams are jumping over some rocks. That is making beautiful music. That is overshadowing the sounds of the crickets. Shashwat Tat Shikara Rijisha Druma Mandala Manditam. So because of these waterfalls, as the water jumps over the rocks, sprays of that water, Shikara. Shikara is water spray. You know, that spray is coming, and Rijisha. Rijisha means moistened. Everywhere it's getting moistened. So you're not feeling the heat. It feels like some natural air conditioning is going on. Shashwat, Tat, Shikara, Rajisha, Druma Mandala Manditam. All the trees, therefore, are enjoying this breeze which has all these droplets of water. Sarit Sara Prasavanor Mevayuna. And therefore, all the different kinds of lotuses have bloomed, and because of the blooming of all those lotuses, not only this air is carrying the droplets of water, the spray of that water, but it's also carrying all this beautiful fragrance of different kinds of lotuses. Kalhara Kanjotpala Renuharina. Therefore, this Vahni, which earlier we saw one Vahni, which was the forest fire. This is another Vahni, which is the heat of summer. This heat of summer is also not bothering the people of Vrindavana like it would bother people in other parts of that country. Agadatoya Hradaniti Torma Bihi Drabat Purishya. Even the river Yamuna is so happy that her waves are hitting against the banks, and that is creating a spray that is also cooling. And when that spray falls on the ground, it is refreshing the grass. So even the grass in Vrindavanam is continuing to stay green, even though it is very hot summer. Bhuvo rasam shadvalitam cha grihnate. Vanam kusumitam. This Vrindavanam is beautiful. Therefore, all these birds, all these animals, all these bees, everything is waiting. When this Keshava and when this Balarama will come, then we can sing for them. We can sing a welcome song. Chitra Mrigadwijam. Many different kinds of animals, many different kinds of birds. They are all ready. All the birds are singing. All the kokilas are singing. Mayura, Brahmara, all of them are forming a nice symphony. Kridishyamanas Krishna. Krishna and his friends are coming. They are playing all the time. Whenever they walk in a group, Krishna plays the flute, everybody else dances. Venum Viranayan Gopaihi. And they play with whatever is available. If tender shoots are available, they will make some garland with that. If some flowers are available, they'll make a garland with that. If peacock has dropped a feather, they will make a nice crown for Krishna with that. Pravala, Barha, Stavaka, Srag, Dhatu, Krita, Bhushana. Different kinds of rocks. Sometimes you can get, they will powdery rocks. You can make nice colored paste with them. They will use that colored paste to draw nice pictures on each other. They play like that, children. Sometimes Ramakrishna-dayo gopaha nanrutuhu yuyuduhu jaguhu. Most of the time, somebody will be singing, somebody will be dancing, somebody will be wrestling. These are boys, no? So they will play. Their play is different. Sometimes Krishna will be dancing. Krishnasya nrityatah. Somebody else will sing. Somebody else will play the flute. Gopi jati pratichanno deva. Taking this opportunity, occasionally some devas will also take the form of the Gopa boys and they will join these games. And they will also praise when the boys say, Hare Krishna, you're dancing so nicely. These devas who are looking like Gopas will also say, yes, he's dancing so nicely. They will also agree. Or when the other Gopas are playing some music, these devas will also play some music. Idire, Krishna Rama Uche, Idire. That's how they are offering their worship. Brahmanaihi, Langanaihi, Kshepaihi, Aspotana, Vikarshanahi. Sometimes they will go exploring. Sometimes one child has to sit down, other children have to jump over that child. Chikridituhu. This is how they are playing. Khaka Pakshadarau Kvachite Kvachinrutyasu. Somebody will dance, somebody will sing, somebody will play some musical instrument, and there will be a set of people who cannot dance, who cannot sing, who cannot play a musical instrument. They will sit and clap. Swadu, swadu. They will say, I am the audience. I am enjoying. You dance. You know how to dance, no? So you dance. You know how to sing? You sing. You know how to play musical instrument? You play. I will sit here and nicely enjoy. Sadhu, sadhviti, vadi nau. Kochit bilvai, kochit kumbaihi. They will gather all these fruits. Amalaka mushtebihi. Amalaka. You know that amla, no? It's a fruit. But in scriptural studies, Hastamalaka means the jnana is obvious like a gooseberry fruit in your hand. So when they are saying Amalaka Mushtibihi, Bhagavatam Dashamaskandam is saying, look at this, look at the good fortune of these boys. This Paramatma Swarupa has become so accessible, just like somebody is holding a gooseberry in their palm. Amalaka Mushtibihi. Sometimes they'll play hide and seek. Asprashya Netrabandadyahi. Netrabandadyahi. Kachin Mriga Kagehaya. Kvachit Durdura Dardura Plavai. Kvachicha Dardura Plavai. Sometimes they'll play running and catching. Sometimes they will make dola, like a swing with whatever is available in the forest. Whatever creepers are available, they will use that. They'll make a swing on the branch and these boys will swing. Spandholikaya, kadachit spandholikaya, karhichin ripacheshtaya. Sometimes they will play kingdom. And one of the Gopa boys will become the king. Everybody else will be the minister. Somebody else will be commander. They will say, this is this kingdom. This is how this kingdom should become famous, prosperous, whatever. They'll be playing all this. This Krishna has explored every part of that Vrindavana. Nadya, Nadi, Adri, Droni, Kunjeshu, Kananeshu, Sarasu cha. So he knows all the paths, he knows all the shortcuts, he knows how to enter into Govardhana from very different parts. He knows how to show up suddenly in one place and else. All that is hidden here because he's going to need that later. Evam thau loka siddhabhi krida vischeraturvane nadi adri droni kunjeshu kananeshu sarasu cha.